Hi everyone, hope you are doing extremely well. Here you see that each of these short videos gets millions of views. So here you see that this video got 15 million, this video got 7.5 million, and here these videos got 2.4 million, 2.2 million. And here you see that these videos got 1.3 million. So you can also create this type of short videos, and you can also monetize this channel and earn a good amount of money. Okay. Now how you can create this type of short videos within a minute, that I will show you. So please watch the video till the end, and if you are not subscribed this channel, please make sure to subscribe this channel. So first of all, here you see that I have some prompts that I will provide you for free if I get 30 comments. Now for that you have to write I need these prompts in the comment section, then I will provide a list of prompts so that you can generate this type of videos or images for free. Okay, so now I am copying one of the prompts. So here I am copying this prompt. Okay, so now let me copy this, and now we will use two things. So two software we will use. One is the PicLumen. So here you can see that the name is the PicLumen, and another software that I will use, which is the Pixverse. Okay, these two website we will use to create this type of AI videos. Okay, so first of all, copy this prompt, and at the end of this video I will also tell you that how you can create this type of prompts from the ChatGPT. So please watch the video till the end. So let me copy this prompt, and now first go to this peaklumen.com. So you can make an account in this website. Now here, after sign up, you will find this type of interface. Here you have to click on this create. Okay, now here you have to paste this prompt that we have already copied. Now here you see that there are two things. Here you can choose any of the model. So currently I am choosing this PicLumen Realistic V2. Now here there is a size option. So I am currently making the short videos. That's why I am selecting this 9:16. And after that, here you can select that how many images you want. Currently I need only one image. Then click on this generate, and after that here you see that I have got this type of image. Okay, now simply click on this download and download it. Okay, now we have to make the image as a video. Now for that we have to go this pixverse.ai. So when you go to this pixverse.ai, okay, now you have to make an account, and when you make an account you will get 130 credits for free, and that is enough for your video making. Okay, now here you will see this type of interface, and on the left hand side you will see a create option. So click on this create. After that here you see there is a image upload option. So click on this image, and here we have to upload the image that we got. Okay, so upload the image, and here you have to write that things. Okay, so whatever we copied, so just copy this, that prompt, and paste it here. Okay, and now click on this create. So here you see that there is a create button. Let me show it again. So here you see there is a create button. So when you click on this create, here you see that I got this type of videos. Okay, so this is amazing, right? This type of videos. So you can upload this video to your YouTube. Now how to upload? Now you can directly upload this video on your YouTube with the YouTube provided sound. So when you upload the short video on YouTube, there is option for the add sound. If you use that add sound, then you can make your video viral, because if you use a trending song, then you can make your video viral. But otherwise you can use suno.com, means the Suno AI, to create your own music. Okay, so here you see that I created this sparkling sloth music. So I provided this prompt to this here. Okay, just paste the same prompt here and click on this create. So suno.ai will create the music for you, and don't worry, it is already without any copyright, so you will not get any copyright issue. So just download it and go to this clipchamp.com. Okay, so if you go to this clipchamp.com, and here you have to make an account. After that you will get this type of interface. So let me show you. By the way, you can use any of the video editor that you want. Click on this create a new video. Okay, after that you will find this type of interface. Here import the video, and after that here import the sound also, and here on the right hand upper corner there is a export button, see here. So click on export and click on this 180p, okay, and it will produce a high quality video for you guys. So there is a two way to upload your video, and that I already told you. And always I recommend you to upload the video using the YouTube add sound option and choose the video that is currently in trending so that you get most of the views. Okay. And here you see that you can also get this type of videos, and you can also get this type of views in your videos. Okay, and there is a bonus section that I already told you how you can generate this type of prompts. So in the description box I have given this thing. Okay, now inside the bracket you can change this 5 to 4 or 5 to 6 7. Okay, now when you change this 5 to 6 7, it will generate that number of prompts. Okay, so here you see that, and in the first chance if they doesn't generate the prompts, okay, so you can write this thing that I told you to give me prompts, then they will give you these prompts. So here you see that I got 5 prompts. So in this way also you can generate this prompt. And if you want me to send you these 100 plus prompts in a drive, then please make sure to comment below that I need prompts, and after 30 comments I will make sure that you can get these prompts, because I will pin this drive link in the description box after that. Okay, so please make sure to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video.